Navigating the TORSH Talent system, a guide to getting started. Activating your account. In your inbox, you should see an email inviting you to join the TORSH Talent system. Click Continue to TORSH Talent, and you will be brought to the page where you will enter your account information like your first name, last name, and account password. Once you have done that, accept the terms and services and click Enroll. Now your account is activated. When you first log in, you will see these guides to help you familiarize yourself with the platform, including how to navigate the various features such as Coaching Corner, exemplars, and more. Once you've activated your account and explored, you can also go through and personalize your profile. Accessing your account. To access your account, go to torshttalent.com. You will then enter the information you used to activate your account. You will also see in the top right corner that you can download the app for on-the-go platform access. Once logged in, you can easily start completing all of your coaching tasks. Completing an observation. Once a video has been uploaded and shared with you, you are able to complete an observation by clicking on Shared or going to Coaching Corner in the navigation bar. You can see users, data forms, observations, and more in this area. To start a new observation, click on Observations, New Observation, and select the type. Next, you can select the user and the video for which you will be providing feedback. You can choose from your own files or something that's been shared with you. After selecting, you'll see the main observation section, where you can add timestamp feedback and rubric tags. Select the data form you will use for your observation, and you're ready to begin. Fill out your ratings, and when you're ready, you can click Submit. Inviting new users. As an administrator, you are able to easily add new members to your system. On the left-hand side of your homepage, you will see an Add Users option. Enter the email address of the administrator, coach, or teacher you would like to invite and click Send Invitations. From here, you also have a summary of how many users currently have an account. From there, invitees can access their account via the email they receive. For more resources, including in-depth guides and video tutorials on our platform features, go to torshttalent.com/support/videos or scan the QR code on the screen. You can also reach out to TORSH support at any time via support@torsh.co or by using the chat feature on our site. Enjoy!